Good morning, this is MetLoop meteorologist Dave Elliott with your weather update for Tuesday, November the 1st. Starting out with the National Satellite and Radar Loop, we've still got a strong high pressure keeping the east and the southern portions of the U.S. very warm and mostly calm weather-wise. There's a weak frontal boundary extending from the Great Lakes area back through the Central Plains, causing some spotty showers over Iowa right now. And out west, we've got a strengthening low pressure system located over northern California that's bringing some rain and even some snow to the higher elevations in that area. And looking at the current temperature map, there really hasn't been much change to speak of in the pattern for the last several days, with the heat continuing across the south and cooler temperatures up north and out west. However, by Friday morning, we do expect to see cooler temperatures across the board as a cold front moves through the south. As for today's outlook, we've got a few different areas we're going to be watching for some thunderstorm activity today. First area is going to be down in southeastern Texas, where the southerly winds on the backside of that high pressure is going to be bringing in warm, moist air off the Gulf of Mexico and will help fire off some thunderstorms, especially into the afternoon for this area in particular. And then from up around Lake Michigan down into eastern Kansas, we could see some thunderstorm activity along that weak frontal boundary. That area, if it does fire up, will be later on in the evening and into the overnight hours tonight. And finally, out in the west, thunderstorm activity out ahead of that low pressure system in California is going to bring storms into the Great Basin area, into the western and central Rocky Mountain region. And while we aren't expecting any of these areas I've mentioned to be severe today, please always be mindful that any thunderstorm is capable of causing hail, strong winds, and heavy downpours of rain. And that's your U.S. outlook for today. I hope you have a great weather day wherever you are, and please be sure to follow MetLoop on Facebook and Twitter for all the latest and most accurate weather information.